This is Amber Pollock. This lesson is on importation and exportation. The first lesson is on importation. For this lesson, put play money near where the student lives. Then have some supply in a different country. I have here a toy wooden pepper in England. The money and pepper then exchange. This is importation. Goods come into the country and money goes out. Of course, the British don't use dollars, so what we really did is we sent 2 blue marbles, which is what backs up our dollar, to England. The next lesson is on exportation. In this lesson, have the play money in a different country. I have here a dollar in England, which would actually be a British pound, and supply where the student lives. We will then exchange them. This is exportation, where a product goes out of the country and money comes in. One of the things to discuss with the student is that foreign trade adds costs. It adds a cost to get the pepper from Florida to England because you have to cross the Atlantic Ocean. If the pepper was going somewhere in America, it would be cheaper. Another thing to discuss with the student is that throughout most of history, trade took place over water. Water provides a means of transportation. As such, large cities typically grow near a large body of water where ports are established, and you can show the student where some of the major ports of the world are. I think these economics lessons can and should easily be integrated with history lessons. The student can be taught what countries traded with what other countries and at what times. A very typical and important history lesson taught to students is that of Christopher Columbus discovering America. Christopher Columbus discovered America as he was looking for Indian spices such that he could trade them. The history of the Western world is very much a history on economics. Another lesson that can be integrated is one on technology. It was at one time difficult and downright dangerous to travel from Florida to England. Better ships and air flight allow this travel to get safer and cheaper, thus allowing faraway economies to trade easier. I think all of these lessons on economics, geography, history, and technology combined will really spark a child's imagination. Ports, ships, traveling across the sea. This is the stuff adventure is made of. Giving a child a map combined with all of these lessons gives them a playground on which they can imagine some of the stories that are being taught to them. So this wraps up the lesson on importation and exportation.